Þá erum við komin á fiskjulagið.
Billy.
How do you like it so far?
I like it very much. Great experience. It's almost this is the first day.
Okay.
So we look forward to the Friday.
Okay.
Saturday.
Yeah, for the big weekend.
For the big weekend.
Yeah. Was everything up to your standards, quality-wise, like raw materials and?
Yeah. The commodities have been very good.
Okay.
Of course, Icelandic lamb speaks for itself.
Yes.
Icelandic lobster
Okay.
and trout. The cod we had as well.
Okay.
Big, nice, and strong in texture.
Okay. And how was the team in the kitchen?
Look at it. It's a live kitchen, and it's
Yes.
very nice to work with people.
Yes.
So everybody knows their thing. Like I said, it's the first day, so we have like tried a little bit forth and back and so on, but now we are happy with the dishes.
Like a machine.
Like a machine.
Yeah. Good. You're looking forward to tasting the menu?
Yep.